Akiaria hindi ya giikaro na minister a maai kuuma kaunti itiganite, undu umwe na arugamiriria kambuni itiganite cia uheani wa maai bururi-ini, Ngavana wa Meru Kiraitu Murungi ni agwetete maai ta utungata akenya othe mari na kihoto gia gukinyira.
The duty of supplying water and the sanitation to the people is squaring and as shown before under the mandate of the county governments.
Nigi Kiraitu ni ugite utungata uyu ndungikinyanira, thirikari cia kaunti iteithiririe na thirikari nene uria megukinyaniria utungata uyu.
We can't avoid each other because they are controlling the source and you are controlling the distribution. So we have to work together. We're implementing a project here with 1 billion shillings. As the county government, I have no capacity to borrow that kind of money. It is only the national government, which can reach out to international financiers.
Munini wake muikariri wa bodi cia uheani wa maai Daniel Ng'ang'a ne ugite ni magutigirira ni maraniria na kaunti iria igacirite hari uheani wa maai niguo gutigirira maai ni makinyira akenya othe.
WASPA seeks to provide technical support to continue in matters affecting water service provision, such as advocating and influencing policy.
We must also look at how the sector is operating in terms of efficiency. We must also look at how we spend the public finance that we have. Ngavana Kiraitu niwe urari muikariri wa kamiti ya maai thiini wa ndudu ya magavana. Hadini Kameme TV, ritwa rĩakwa nĩ Mbataru wa Mwangi.